My Sister the Vampire by Sienna Mercer. Ivy and Olivia are twins. They go to Franklin Grove Middle School. The girls were separated at birth because their parents split up. They cannot imagine life without each other, even though they just reunited. The problem in the story is that Mr. Vega is moving to Europe and taking Ivy with him. Olivia and Ivy are determined to not let that happen. Olivia is friendly, outgoing, and a cheerleader, and is human. On the other hand, Ivy is very quiet, extremely smart, and she is a vampire. I love the mystery of this book and how the author develops the two sisters' characters. It's a story about family, loyalty, and determination. I loved it. I think you will enjoy it too.